With more than 20 years of experience in additives for completion and repair fluids, MAREF Group continues to innovate and adapt to the needs of its customers, developing operations and new technologies that help increase productivity and reduce costs in tower equipment. Conventional salt operations are carried out with solid products, incorporating it into the mud pools. This operation generates many disadvantages and inconveniences. MAREF proposes the new presentation of liquid brine, ready to be transported to its location and unloaded directly in the pools. With these systems, you do not need a storage space, which produces a positive visual impact. In addition, it reduces operating times and increases safety by not having to be manipulated by operators. It reduces the environmental impact and avoids losses and waste due to the weather contingencies that can cause breaks in the bags. We have sales for all the needs of our clients, whether termination or repair. Our brines are prepared starting from a minimum density of 1,160 grams per liter to a maximum density of 2,300 grams per liter, and then they are stored in tanks depending on their composition. The transfer of salts can be carried out in a tank truck up to 25,000 liters depending on the density of the product, or in IBC maxi drums depending on customer preferences and/or equipment requirements. With the transferring tank, the product is available quickly at the place of unloading, facilitating the unloading and making the operation efficient in terms of time. The discharge is made directly from the truck to the pool and then be pumped to the well. With the transfer in IBC maxi drums, you can have the volume to be used without having to store it in pools, since that can be pumped directly to the well. The discharge is done through a pump provided by MAREF Group, which allows it to be carried out without the need for have to lower the maxi drums of the truck. We continue to look for ways to help our customers increase their productivity. For this, we have developed a residual salt filtering system. We take care of removing the salts that the well returns through pumps. And we move them to our nearest operating base in maxi drums, where they are processed by unit filters that return a clean and ready to be reused brine. We can also densify it and take it to your maximum liquid density if the client requires it. For more information, visit our website maref.com.ar. Since 1996, innovating certainties.